5 bags into 1 box. Material counting and sorting connection line. Docking pillow packing machine. Mouthpieces are bagged and packed directly into boxes according to the predetermined quantity. The standard medium model cartoning machine, with an output of up to 40 boxes per minute, can adapt to the cartoning needs of various types of mouthpieces. One bags into 1 box. Just a simple adjustment to change the box and a different packaging method. A bag of 50 pieces of mouthpieces in a box. Stable and efficient.